Hello from the Metal Shack. Welcome to the new subscribers and thank you to everyone who's been following my projects regularly. This week I forged a dinner triangle. I hope you enjoy.
The first step in making the hanger is forging a long square point on one end of the steel. Then I turned it into an octagon by knocking off all of the corners on the point. And after that, by rotating the steel whilst hammering, I turned it into a round point. Now that I have a round point, I can scroll the tip and bend it into the shape of a hook. Then it was just a matter of repeating the process on the other side. The next step is to use a ball fuller to forge some countersinks into the base of the hanger for where the screws will go. And to finish off the hanger, I'm just going to bend it into shape. After a quick clean with the wire brush and drilling the holes for the screws, the hanger is done. So, I started off making the triangle exactly the same way as I did making the hanger, by forging a square point, then I knocked off the edges to make an octagon, and finally rounded it off. With that done, I could then move on to scrolling the point. Then I flattened the top of the scroll to see what that looked like. Next, I flipped the steel around and forged another round point on the other end. The next step is to scroll the point. here I'm just bending the triangle into shape. And that is the triangle finished. Make sure that your steel isn't touching, otherwise the triangle will not ring. Right, so the first step in making the beater is to forge another round point. Then I scroll the point. Next, I bent the beater so that it would hang straight. Then flatten the top of the scroll. Next, I just slightly rounded the other end of the steel. And finally, I just took it over to my leg vise and gave it a twist. And after a quick wire brush, it's done. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to support this channel, then why not subscribe? But that is all from me for today. I will see you next time.